Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites and launching the installer. Make sure Windows and NET meet requirements and you have admin rights. Once confirmed, choose the gateway mode. Pick standard for shared connection and high availability, or personal if only you need refreshes. Now run the downloaded installer and sign in with your Power BI account. This links the gateway to the tenant. While the installer runs, note the host name and service account option so you can set them in the next steps. Once installed, configure the gateway service. Choose a dedicated domain account if you need Kerberos or broader network access, otherwise use the default. Next, register the gateway to your Power BI tenant and give it a clear cluster name so other admins can find it. After registration, open the Power BI service, add a data source to the gateway, enter server and database names, and select authentication, Windows, Basic, or OAuth, then test and save. Make sure credentials are valid and permissioned for scheduled refreshes. You finish by validating and testing. Run a manual dataset refresh and confirm success in the Power BI service. Once done, add gateway admins for operational access and consider adding additional gateway nodes for load balancing or high availability. Make sure scheduled refreshes are enabled and dataset credentials are mapped to the configured data source. If something goes wrong, check the gateway logs, confirm outbound port 443 is open, and verify the service account has database permissions. Those steps fix most connectivity and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.